morning. I'm working on this Generac 15,000 watts generator. It's had a weird problem. What happened, initially you press this start button right here, nothing happened. See that? And then when I kind of tap that solenoid post right there to short them out, the starter will run, but the solenoid will not engage the Bendix gear to the flywheel. And then I kind of look at YouTube. It tells me, luckily this guy is good enough to show me, or to show everybody, the problem about them. It's the fuse back here, which you never thought there is a fuse back here. You know, there it is right here. See that? It's located down there. In all these circuit breakers out here, you never know. See all those circuit breakers? That there's a fuse in there that controls the starter. So initially I ordered the starter from Amazon. Hopefully I can return that. Come to find out it's only this $1 fuse out there. That's the problem. So by replacing it, it cranks up. So now everything works good. So that's the way. If you press that starter button, it won't crank up because of this fuse. It's blown out fuse. Yeah, all right, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.